Good.
Okay, so this is about hardy cyclamen. We bought these from a garden centre and they weren't labelled, but they are hardy, and I suspect that these two here are probably cyclamen hederifolia. That one may be as well. That's because their leaves are shaped like ivy leaves. And it may well be that the other ones, the other three here, which have got more rounded oval leaves, are cyclamen coum. But it's very important to make sure if you're going to plant cyclamen outside that you need to know whether they're hardy or not. These all are, even though the garden centre couldn't tell us what they're all called. At some point I might look it up on the internet. So I'm going to plant them in these little troughs that we have here. I filled the troughs with a mixture of our own compost. We're lucky enough to be able to make our own compost, and we're also lucky enough to be able to make our own leaf mould. And as cyclamen are forest dwelling plants that come up before the deciduous trees come into leaf, I'm hopeful that that will make it all the better for them. So all I'm going to do is to take them out of the pot, make a bit of room, make sure I'm planting them at the same level that they were in the pot, and just keep working my way along like that. If we're lucky and they take, it may well be that at some point in the next few years or so that they will actually propagate themselves in the little troughs we've got, and we might have to remove them at some later stage because they'll have outgrown the size of the trough. So it's just a case of popping them in like that, making sure that the soil's gone all around the edge of them and they're nice thin. And after all of this, even though this is quite damp compost and quite damp leaf mould, I'll still give this trough a water.